You everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm official Kim Reacts, Jamaican here representing. My people, so I've seen where BAND-MAID gave us another official live video. This is called Ready to Rock Anime. Rock is a lady's modesty. Opening theme song. So without further ado, let's see what these females have up their sleeves. And whenever time these females came on stage to perform, right, and to disclose the story that they have, right, it's always sounding good, right? It's always a great story. It is always great whenever time they displayed what they are thinking, all right, and to see stories like this is literally a great thing because I love to experience what others are, and that's the reason why I've stayed here to see what BAND-MAID is going to release next because their story is always top notch. It's always a joy to sit and to listen to what they have to say. Their music is always good. As I said, their music, their storyline is always good. It's always a joy to sit and to listen to what they have to say because if you want to get a good detailed story, just stop by where BAND-MAID is because the intense drumming, the excellent stage performance, and what comes with it with more importance is that the delivery of their music is always entangled with great joy. All right. So what I'm hearing thus far, what I'm seeing thus far, it's a magnificence. Trust me. None of them will be in vain. The pain, the suffering, everything. Once you have that person, once you have a particular individual, the love will always flourish. Right? And with everything they've been through together, the love, the pain, everything, the arguments, right? None of it will be in vain because each person will try their best to make things work, to live on forever together, bro. This is very good. I do love the concept of this video. As I stated earlier, these females always have some bizarre stories, and they're actually true. Very good performance. Very, very good performance by BAND-MAID. She did a great job. As usual, she never disappoints. She always comes with something that you have to be like, wow, that's good. Right? It's always a wow moment where BAND-MAID came up with something that we have to feel good. We have to feel like, hey, we're there. Alright, so very good. Very, very good one, BAND-MAID, I ain't gonna lie. Very, very good one. So people, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican reactor. Remember, hit the bell icon to be notified of whenever time I release another BAND-MAID reaction. I'll see you guys around.